Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel of sugar. Use a heavy saucepan and heat dry sugar over medium heat, watching closely. Once edges melt, gently swirl the pan to encourage even melting and prevent stirring. When sugar turns a deep amber, remove from heat and carefully add butter or cream while whisking constantly. Cool slightly before using to avoid separation and to achieve a smooth, glossy caramel. Caramel can seem tricky, but small technique tweaks make it reliable and rewarding. Start with clean equipment and steady heat. Patience beats speed here. Keep a wet pastry brush handy to dissolve any crystals at the rim as sugar melts. If crystals form, add a few drops of lemon juice or a little corn syrup to help. Practice makes smoother results, and soon you will confidently pull a perfect amber caramel every time. Finishing caramel is where flavor really comes alive, and timing is everything. Let the hot amber sugar rest a moment before whisking in warm cream or butter to avoid vigorous bubbling. For flavor, stir in a pinch of flaky salt or a splash of vanilla for complexity. If thicker sauce is needed, simmer briefly until desired consistency. Store cooled caramel in the fridge and gently rewarm before serving for a...
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.